What's going on, guys? I decided to do another little video here. You guys liked the first one last week on the work, so I'm going to start doing more of these little videos because why not? Today we have some crazy gusting winds here in Oklahoma. It is sunny, however, the dust blowing around makes this look kind of different, that's for sure. The winds are gusting very high, on the better side of 50 miles an hour. The panhandle is really where it's seen. However, in my location, we're definitely getting the good side of it. Like, we got doors slamming, as you can tell, these trees down here, and plants are all around. The water's very unstable, and yeah, just look at all that dust in the air, though. That's very crazy. It's been like this all day. It was also crazy how in Government, in the Panhandle, it was 101 yesterday, and today it got up to 69, I believe, with a 40-mile-an-hour wind and gusts over 70. So there's that. It's not horrible. It's not like the worst thing ever, but I thought it was neat, and I thought I would show you guys off how crazy it is here. You can tell it's very aggressive at times. But I thought I would make some more little videos for you guys, just be unedited iPhone clips. So if you guys wish to like the video and subscribe and all that, feel free to. Tomorrow's videos do 98 through 20 stars and bars. So yeah, we'll be there to review that. And then storyline is coming. I got it set up over here, and I'm going to get that edited. It's going to be a really fun video with the air candle decision and everything. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking for it, so I'm gonna get that out as soon as possible. Maybe Saturday, actually. I'm getting my wisdom teeth out on Friday, so I do want to update you guys kind of here real quick since we're here. I've been working a ton lately, over 60 hours last week, as I mentioned, and as you guys know. So I'm gonna try my absolute best to get these videos out on time. Please bear in mind, though, that some of the bigger projects are going to take some time, so I'm going to do my absolute best to work overtime after work to get these out for you guys on time. So lightly edited, there's some gust for you guys. If they're lightly edited and stuff, you guys probably can't hear me. I'm sorry, I'll try to talk louder. If they're lightly edited and stuff, that's why. And yeah, we're gonna have a crazy winter, but luckily it's gonna be sunny and 90 plus every day on Thursday on. So would like to get back to the airport. We'll see when. I hope you guys enjoyed that spotting vlog. It was really fun to make, and there's a lot of exciting stuff coming. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey guys, the winds are going to continue to gust here, so yeah, it's very crazy. And then let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more of these just little iPhone clip videos. I'm more than happy to make them. It's just that the actual content does take time, so want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you guys do enjoy it. I don't have much else. I just kind of wanted to show off what the weather's like. And yeah, got a lot of stuff to come. I better close the window here, at least, so you guys can hear me. But yeah, just listen to that sound, though. But I want to thank you guys. Let me know if you want more.